Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Irina. As the title says, in today's video I have two latest in beauty boxes to unbox for the month of December. I really couldn't help myself. There were some things from late November drop that I really wanted, and there were some things from a December drop that I really wanted. And because I'm here coming to you fresh-faced, you could probably guess it's makeup, but I'm gonna put it on my face. I am gonna do that in a separate video, just in case you're not interested in makeup, you just want to see what's in the boxes and what latest in beauty is about. But if you do want to see the makeup and how it applies and all of that, the video will be up soon. Once it's up, it will be linked in the eye and down below, and hopefully I won't forget to do that. But I'm gonna film it this way. I thought of filming it the other way around, but I'm just going to confuse myself as to what I say in intros and outros. So yeah, I'm doing the unboxing fresh-faced, and then in the next video I'm gonna apply the makeup to my face. So if you are new here, I will leave timestamps on the play bar, so you can skip ahead to the portions that you are most interested in. Normally I do a little bit of info about latest in beauty, then I give you an overview of my previous box and then I go into the unboxing itself. So just in case you never heard of latest in beauty before, this is a subscription box with a difference because you get to pick your own items. The way they do the items, they have a Hall of Fame which drops on the 1st of the month, and the quantities for this Hall of Fame are enough for all of the subscribers and new subscribers. And then every Monday they drop 5 items, which they do preview on their blog and on their social media, but in a random order, so you don't know which is which. And whatever doesn't get sold out, so to speak, or picked out, just stays on the counter for and it will be available to pick next month and the month after that, until, you know, they run out of the quantity of the items and all of that. It is $12.95 a month for 6 items, plus postage and packaging for your first 3 months. After 3 months, postage and packaging is free, and you also get 50% off their collection boxes. Some of them are really good. You can pick an extra box each month, which is why I've got 2 this month. Obviously you pay another $12.95 for that one, unless they have like a code that gives you a reduction. I do have videos where I've unboxed more than 1 box in a month, and I had discount codes for that. But if you want to know more, there will be information in the description box along with a referral code if you want to use it. And now I am going to go into my previous box and tell you what I thought of the items. So first, I had this smug eye mask, which you will be pleased to know that I have indeed stitched it, because this was for my daughter, because she is quite difficult with her sleep and sometimes she needs an eye mask, and this one is quite smooth and cooling and she does use it. Lately she's kind of gone off my eye masks, but she goes through phases. So if you do have children yourself who are maybe a little bit more difficult or need a little bit of extra help, or just need an eye mask, then these smug ones actually work well, and you can just stitch them and for them to actually fit their heads. And next I had this cleanser from Freshly Cosmetics. I have used it quite a bit, as you can see. I do like it. It is very effective for removing makeup. I have to be a little bit careful around my eyes. My eyes are quite sensitive, and sometimes cleansers can sting my eyes. This one does it just a little bit. If I am a little bit careful, then it's not a big deal, but it's really good for removing makeup. Next I had a Dr. Popo scrub and balm. So you get your scrub at the top and your balm at the bottom. The balm is a little bit too thick. I didn't think that I would say that, but it's nice on an evening, and the scrub is really nice too, so I am quite enjoying that. Then I had the Bumble and Bumble Blonde Leave-In Treatment, tone enhancing leave-in. I've only used this once. I haven't dyed my hair yet, so it's kind of like pointless for me to use it until I actually dye my hair, because now it's just too, I don't know exactly how to explain it, but the color is just too old at the minute. So you know, I just used it once. It's all right, but I can't say more until I actually dye my hair and start using it a little bit more. Oh my goodness, I filmed the entirety of this video and I realized I was actually on pause. So I will talk to you about the rest of the items, and then as you can see, I've already done swatches, so I'll just show you what's what. So where were we? We were at lipstick, the Bare Minerals lipstick. Yeah, this one is really nice. I do have a picture with it, which I'm hoping I'll be able to find and insert here. I did have quite a few lip products enter my collection recently. I just seem to be obsessed with lip products recently. So I haven't worn it as much, but once spring comes, I do expect to pull this out a little bit more. I do like it. And then I have 2 more items in here, so 7 items in total instead of 6, because there was one item, if you remember from my previous video, that was out of stock. They had a stock error. They put it on the website showing it was available when it actually wasn't. So they've told me that I could pick 2 other items, you know, to make up for the mistake. And I've picked the Awaken toothpaste, which you can see is still in its box, so I haven't used it. So obviously I can't tell you what I think of it. And then from, is it BYBI or BB? I have the Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream. This was the Hall of Fame last month. This one is more of a corrector cream, so it went on my dressing table to use with the rest of my makeup, just use as a corrector before I do my makeup. Okay, I'm going to go into unboxing the December boxes, in case you still see all the decorations around the Christmas decorations, because I'm still in December. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, but in my time I'm still in December, and I don't really take my decorations off until New Year's. I kind of like that feeling to stay a little bit longer. So this is the first box. I'm going to start with the freebies in here. This is my actual subscription box, and then my second box is the extra box, and there are the same freebies in both boxes. So first we have a sample of the Sunset Hour perfume. This is supposed to be a cocktail of citrus and spicy delights, giving way to a delicious gourmand and sensual floral heart. So I think it will be a little bit sweet for me. I'll have to see. I'll spray it another day, because I do have a perfume on that I really enjoyed today. Then we had a sample of the Gris Chanel perfume from the UK Perfumes. This one was a member reward last month, I think it was. So I have used this one from last month and I really enjoy it. When you first spray it, it's kind of like spicy and woody, which I quite enjoy, and then it goes into a more mellow fragrance with a little bit of hint of sweetness, not too much sweetness, just a hint. So I really enjoy that one. At least that's how it's like on my skin. And then the last of the freebies is the Florina Fermented Skincare Cleansing Bar. I have picked this one in the past. I think might have been October, and I really like it. So I'm quite pleased to have another one of these. And then I have yet another one because of the other box, which will probably go in my box for gifts for people or for giveaways. I'll have to decide what I'm doing with it. But yeah, I think just one backup is enough for me. Oh, I might have shown you my second box. That's my first box. Okay, so first I picked the Dry Shampoo Overnight Deep Cleanse from Batiste because I just love dry shampoo, can't live without it. Then I wanted to try something from Sukin, so I've picked some from the Sukin drop, which were late November. This was the Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is a 50ml size. And then I have the Facial Moisturizer, another 50ml size. Another late November drop is this Bite Beauty Mascara, the Up Sync Volume Mascara. which I've heard so many good things about, and I am quite looking forward to using this in my makeup try on video. Then the Hall of Fame this month is the Ooooo Beauty lipstick. This is the Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick in shade Love. And the packaging is really, really nice. And the packaging of the lipstick itself is really nice. It is one of the magnetic closure lipsticks, which I love. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It does look like it has a bit of a gold overspray, and from my swatch, which is this one here, it does look like that overspray, like it is an actual overspray and it's not through the lipstick, but I'll see more when I do my actual try on. And it looks like it's high shine and moisturizing, and could be like sheer, maybe buildable. So yeah, we'll see about that. I'm very pleased about that one. And then I picked from Apricot, Me, Myself and I iPads. And what intrigued me the most about this is that they are reusable up to 30 times. I do love a good eye patch. However, they can get quite costly. If you get, you know, 10, 15 or even 30, they can get quite costly. So I was quite happy to see this there. Yeah, and I'm very intrigued by this concept, and I hope they are really good because I have picked them again in my second box. So second box, I have the eye patches again, or the iPads. And then the rest of the items are from Paese. I think that's how you pronounce the company name, which is a Polish cosmetic brand. Every time I tried something from a Polish cosmetic brand, I was quite pleased. I do know that a lot of companies have factories in Poland, so they do have the resources to make really good cosmetics. So I'm very, very intrigued to try things from Polish brands. First, I have something makeup related, not actual makeup, which is the micellar solution. This is odorless, which is actually quite good. I don't mind a little bit of fragrance in my skincare, but I prefer the fragrance to be for moisturizer, because it's kind of like the last thing you put on your face, and you need a, well, I like a fragrance that it's kind of like calming and all of that. So for makeup remover, I do prefer it as fragrance free or with as little fragrance as possible. So yeah, I am quite looking forward to using this one. I do love cleansers. I know I picked up loads of cleansers recently, but I do go through them quite a bit. And then we have the cashmere eyeshadow, which is this one, and I'm thinking this could work also as a bronzer, and that's the swatch for it there. And then I have the blush, and that's the swatch for the blush right there. It does look quite pigmented. Then I have the concealer, the Perfect Covering Concealer in shade Clair. The applicator for this is a little bit weird. It's kind of like a brush, like a proper brush applicator. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it, because it looks like all the bristles of it are kind of like tangled. But it does look like it would be quite a nice concealer, because it does blend very easily. And then the last thing in here, we have the Wonder Stick highlighter, which is for the face and body, and it's that one there. And that's the swatch next to the lipstick. So swatch right there. It does feel very creamy when I swatched it, and I'm wondering whether I could use this as eyeshadow as well. It doesn't say that it's eye safe, so don't do as I do. Do as I say. But I think I will try it, maybe as like, you know, corner highlight. We'll see. Okay, so these are my 2 boxes for December. If you are a subscriber for Latest in Beauty, let me know what you picked for December. I would love to know. I'm always curious. If you want to see the makeup, then stay tuned. Subscribe, you know, hit the bell so you know when I upload my next video trying on all the makeup. If you are not interested in actually seeing the makeup applied, you just want a very quick review, then that's fine. I'll subscribe and hit the bell so you can see the January unboxing, where I will speak about how these items performed. So yeah. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining, informative for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.